Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica and this is Simple, Cheap and Easy DIYs. Make sure you watch my last episode after you watch this episode. I'm going to start off by taking this 5x7 frame that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to apply hot glue all over the bottom to ensure that there is no gaps. Once I have that done, I'm going to take a bag of sand from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just going to fill that up. Next, I'm going to take this little sandcastle that I got at Hobby Lobby on clearance, and I'm going to paint the tops in this blue cotton and Cameo pink. Once I have that all painted, I'm just going to place that in the little Zen garden in the back corner. Next, I'm going to take this little mermaid that I also got at Hobby Lobby's clearance section. I'm just going to place that in the opposite side of the little Zen garden. Once I have that in place, I'm going to take these bracelets that I got at Dollar Tree, one in pink and one in blue, and I'm just going to cut the strings off since I'm just going to be using the beads, and I'm going to make a little walkway alternating blue and pink beads. Next, I'm just going to place a couple pieces of sea glass that I had on hand, and then one of these little tea light candles in the opposite corner, and just kind of move the sand around it, leaving a little bit of space between the frame. So I'm going to be using these little blue rocks that I also got at Dollar Tree. Now to make the little rake, I'm going to take one of these skewers that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut off about a 5-inch piece. You can make this however big that you would like. So that's the part that we're going to be using for the handle. And then I'm going to take this craft stick and just cut off about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch little piece, and that's going to be the bottom of the rake. Then I'm going to take that same little skewer and I'm going to cut 3 little 1/2 inch pieces. And I'm going to glue each of those onto the craft stick to actually form the little rake pieces. Once I have these 3 little pieces glued on, then I'm going to take the skewer and glue that onto this craft stick to complete the rake. And this is what it will look like once it's completed. And then I'm going to take this metallic gold paint and just paint the rake in that color. And here's today's completed little miniature Zen garden. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Hope everyone has a nice day, and I'll see you next time.